Hello, I'm Stefan from Xtream Group. With this video, we give you an introduction into our newest product, ProXchange. ProXchange is made for two production partners to exchange files, but also work orders, so to interact with each other. Let's assume there's a broadcaster who sends out a movie to a post-production facility to have a trailer edited for him that he receives back, but they both have to interact with each other. So in this particular case, I'm simulating Stefan as the one who sends out the work order. So I'm at the broadcaster, and my colleague Joanna, she is at the post-production facility.
Hello everyone, today I'm the trailer editor.
So let's jump into the software. I'm already logged on to our demo system that welcomes me with our dashboard. The dashboard has two levels of fast navigations. On one hand, something that we call the channel that can be used for navigating in between different TV channels or high-level programs within one TV channel, and a subcategory that we call programs. And obviously we can rename this according to your needs. In our case, the channels are education, drama, news and sports, and there are sub-programs. They are related to the high-level program. So for instance, for a drama, I have available subcategory or program film 1 and film 2. Now let's start a transfer. A new transfer welcomes me with an empty screen, and the first thing to do is to fill in some metadata. This is to find the content later on. So it helps us to organize our work. Let's say the channel is drama, the program is film 1, the participants is my colleague Joanna, but we can also add someone, let's say Marina. The title of that production is Trailer for Highlight Video, and the description is trailer. Very easy. Year of production, it is this year, and we might have a production number just for organization reasons. Next step to do, we want to send out a work order, and that is, hello, Joanna, please create the trailer as usual. Thanks, Stefan. But there's something missing. Obviously, Joanna needs to get the main movie to create the trailer from. So for this, we have this upload functionality. You can also work with drag and drop. And I'm now sending a video file out. The video is now transferred from my desktop PC to the server where ProXchange is hosted. This can be either a server on premises with you, or it can be our server that we host in our data center. Yeah, and the next one is simply I'm sending out that video. Over to Joanna, and let's see what she is receiving.
I have now received Stefan's file. As you can see, I'm in the dark mode, so that's also available. Here on the left-hand side, you can see that there's a new chat appearing, so I'll have a look, and I can see there's a quick message from Stefan and the file for me. So now I will let him know that I've received the file. Hi, Stefan. Thank you very much. Well received. And I'll tag this message as a simple response. And I send it. So to do my trailer work properly, I'll also need a logo. So I'll ask Stefan if he can also send the logo. And I'll tag this as a question, and I send it.
Now I have received Joanna's response and her question. And as you can see here in this bubbles, my original work order was tagged as work order. Joanna's response was tagged, a question as well, and I'm now sending back the logo file that she has requested. Here, Joanna, please. Oops. Find the logo attached. Now, this is not a work order, it is again a response. Or let's say it is a feedback to her question. And I'm sending it out. Back to Joanna.
Okay, so I've now received the logo as well, and I can start doing my trailer editing work. So yeah, once I'm finished with the editing work, I can send the finished trailer back to Stefan. So I'll upload my file. Okay, so it's being uploaded. Okay, so the upload has finished and I can send the finished trailer to Stefan. I'll tag this as a response again, and I'll also drop him a quick message. Hi, Stefan. Here's the finished trailer. And I send it back to him.
Thanks, Joanna. And as you can see, I've just received the trailer file, tagged as response. I can download it, can view it, can approve it. And once I'm happy with the result, I will close the process. So I'm closing the work order. Now, before I do that, let me show you the navigation items here on the very top, because here we can see there are possibilities to filter for work orders that are just about to be sent out, the ones that are active, and the ones that are done. No one of that is done so far. So let me close this one here, and then we will see that this is now moved into the done folder. As I was the one who has created the work order, I'm also the only one who is allowed to reopen it for later purposes, for instance. Let's go back to the main dashboard, because here I want to show you quickly how the filtering works. So as said, we can say we filter for drama and, for instance, for everything what is in the category film. And this brings us back to our work order from just now. The other way is we use a little bit more elaborated search, what is here in this green button. Then let's search for the serial number, for instance. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that brings me again back to our work order. So thank you so much for watching this quick introduction video in how to use ProXchange. If you are interested, please visit our website, request a demo or a trial. Thank you so much for watching this video.